describe the effects of adding or removing a data point. So let's look online. Let's look at my Strava account and see what that looks like.
All right, so here we are on my Strava page. It shows my activities, and we're on the month of May right now. And what we're going to do is find the average times for my runs. So I've got a swim, that doesn't count. All right, morning run. It says I went 8 minutes and 22 seconds per mile was my time. There's another one, morning run. This little symbol here says that it's a run, 5 minutes and 45 seconds per mile. Got a lunch run, 7 minutes and 59 seconds per mile. A run at the track here, an average of 6 minutes and 57 seconds per mile. Let's see, another bike ride. Got another run, 8 minutes and 11 seconds per mile. Another run here, 7 minutes and 54 seconds.
All right, so what were those times we had? We had... All right, so how do we find the average of all of those times? All right, we add and divide them. All right, so the first step is we needed to convert all these times into seconds, because it's hard to add them up when we have minutes and seconds. All right, so the average time was 451 1/3 seconds, which is 7 minutes and 31 seconds and a third. So that is the average of all these times. So our mean is 7 minutes and 31 seconds. The median, what is the median? Well, it is between 7 minutes and 54 seconds and 7 minutes and 59 seconds. It's going to be 7 minutes. And then what's the average between 54 and 59? Well, we're going to add 54 plus 59 is 113. And we are going to divide that by 2. 5 times 5 times 2, 10. So we have 6 times 2 is 12, 56.5. 7 minutes and 56, and we'll say 1/2 seconds. So what's going to change? Now let's go back on Strava, because I made a mistake, and let's check that out.
All right, so you found the average time for each of those miles, but here's a problem. It's got this little foot sign on this one, but you can tell it's not a run. That was a bike ride. My family went. We all went to El Mirador for my friend's birthday, and so that 5 minutes and 45 seconds per mile was biking. It does not count as a running time. So when we remove that one, how's that going to affect the average time? Is the average going to go up and be slower, or is the average going to go down and be faster?
So if I eliminate this time, 5 minutes and 45 seconds, if I eliminate that from my data set, how is that going to change the data set? What is that going to do to the data set? Is that going to make my average get faster, shorter time? Or is that going to make my average get slower? How is that going to change the median? Is it going to make the median get faster, or is it going to make it get slower? Well, let's try it out. Instead of dividing by 6, how many points are there? There are 5, so I'm going to divide by 5. And instead of 2,708, I'm going to subtract 345. So let's go to the old calculator. 2,363 divided by 5 equals 472.6, which equals, divided by 60, 7 minutes and 52 seconds. So did my time get slower or faster? That's right, it got slower. It increased my time because we eliminated that faster time. A small outlier, a small number, then that increases the mean, the average score. So it went from 731 to 752. How did that change the median? If we eliminate that one, now 759 exactly is our median. So that increased, but it didn't increase as much. It only went up about 7 seconds on the median score, but the mean went up a lot. It increased the median about 21 seconds. So a bigger increase on the mean than the median. Great job this week. We have school next week as well. Now, I'm not going to be grading next week. It's going to be... Now, you and I both know that grades go out this week, so there will be no grades for next week's work. But like I said at the beginning of this week, data is so important. Statistics are so important. They affect our lives every day. We are working with statistics when it comes to elections, when it comes to even TikTok videos. There are statistics. The amount of money that someone makes is based on statistics and those who are watching when it comes to a YouTube video. So these things affect our lives all the time, and I just want to encourage you next week, even though you're not going to be graded, watch the videos that come out, be involved, and finish strong.